Well, it says right to recover immediate possession of residential building or scheduled building or non-residential building to non-resident Indian. Well, it says where an owner is a non-resident Indian. Well, let's say here, admittedly, she is not the owner. She is a joint owner or co-owner.
Owner doesn't mean joint owner.
Well, that is all right, but all the 6 people, they can multiply.
Whether the owner means a joint owner or not.
This one has to be interpreted in the context of maintaining the suit.
Very.
Maintaining the suit, if we apply this analogy, and in the analogy of maintaining the suit, any of the co-owner or the suit for eviction can be maintained by that.
Well,
If that analogy we apply, then the interpretation of Section 13B of this East Urban Punjab Rent Restriction Act what would be the interpretation of this? If out of the co-owners, one is NRI, suit can be brought by one of them.
But then it need to be partitioned before, because otherwise her share itself is not crystallized.
The saying of the tenant should be partitioned. Then suit can be maintained.
There can be 7 co-owners. There can be
one line.
She is,
answer of everything. You must be happy that you take and stay for 4 years. Now enjoy this. You must be happy this.
Melody.
Just wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. You must be happy that last 4 years you have enjoyed this property. If you want to some time more, we can understand. Otherwise, nothing is there.
My lords may give me some time, then my lords may.
My lord, we have mean that.
My lords, it's a commercial shop, small shop. My lords may extend it a little bit.
Yes, granting up to May. You are granting up to June.
Very well, I'll leave it.
June.
My lord, we have filed the mean profit chart, my lord. My lord may consider that chart, my lord. They have not paid me single money.
Paid like NRI. Please.
My lord, last.
Are you NRI or not? Really?
Want possession or not?
Are you interested in possession?
My lord.
Otherwise, will keep it grant leave. Keep it pending for years. Hearing.
No, my lord, grateful. My lord. I'm grateful.
Decide a question.
No, my lord, I'm grateful.
Punjab.
Okay.
Very clear. If you want, then you have to decide. If you want.
My lord, they may vacate, my lord, as my lord directed them.
Rent only. Areas of rent, not business. Undertaking. In a month.
I'm open.
Too grateful, my lord. All.
Exemption from court fee, Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Counsel. Exemption from court fees. Why? Dismiss SLP.
I'll.
SLP dismiss.
Mallards will deposit it. Actually, I have no idea. I'll find.
Fees be deposited within a month. ये ऑर्डर शीट पे लिखा है ना, ठीक है, ऑर्डर पास SLP dismiss in terms of the order pass separated. और वो उस पर पीछे से ऑर्डर कर देना है.
So grateful.
Please.
My lord, and item 55, I'm praying for 2 weeks more time, my lord. Reason being to demonstrate, your lordship, the document which has come to me